Welcome back, everybody. That feels so good to say, and Happy New Year. Welcome back from the eatahfood family. So I am here with another episode, well actually our first episode of Simply Local for the year, and we are going to be doing some wellness shots. Yeah, so no cooking today. We are taking it straight from farm, ground, wherever into our bellies. So no cooking. So it's going to be easy, right? Now wellness shots are those things that you could buy outside, but we're not buying it. We're showing you how you could make it home, and you don't need no fancy ingredients. Some of these things you should already have in your fridge, on top your cupboard, on the center table, somewhere you have it there, right? So it's always good to take a little wellness shot in the morning. 2024, you know, for some of us who are on the train of trying to get healthy, me included, I'm trying to lose a little something, right? So I'm paying more attention to what I eat, but not so much what I eat, how I eat, yeah? So I'm drinking more water, and of course, incorporating a wellness shot is great. I think it wakes up your body. You get a concentrated amount of nutrients at one point in time, which is why they call it a shot. And of course, when you're having it, if you squint your eye a little bit, or if you're a little shock, that's all in it. If you do experience that, then you're not shotting right. Yeah, right. So we have a group of different fruits and vegetables here. So we have lemons, which are very good. It alkalizes the body, also very detoxifying. We have grapefruit, which is good for vitamin C. We have turmeric, very good anti-inflammatory as well as an antioxidant, not just for curries, right? It gives the curry the yellow color. We have ginger. I love my ginger. It's one of my favorite spice. Also very good in the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory family, but it also aids in digestion, which is why it's also very good for nausea. We have apples, the red and the Granny Smith, with truth be told, I'm not really an apples fan. I more prefer them in like baked goods like an apple pie. But it comes in great when you are doing shots or smoothies because it gives a little sweetness as well as added vitamin C. We have good old cucumbers here. I love cucumbers, very cool in effect. Also a very good source of fiber, and it's 90% water, right? So it's going to help with hydration. We have some kale here, which is your super green. Kale is your super green. You could research it. It's good for everything. And of course, we have some a little strand of local celery. I will take local celery over foreign celery every day. I think our celery is very concentrated and it's going to give it a nice grassiness. And I think we're ready to go here. So we're going to be making 2 shots for you. And the first one, I'm going to be using the grapefruit, the lemon, the red apple, the ginger and turmeric, and also a little spicy surprise. Did you know, I learned this today apparently, but Dawi knew, he knows everything, that if you add, he doesn't know everything, he's saying no, but to me he does, right? If you add a little bit of black pepper to, for example, we're making a wellness shot or smoothie that has turmeric in it. A little pinch of black pepper aids in the absorption of the turmeric by, guess how much? 2,000%. Hello, I don't sleep on the little black pepper in the smoothie. I put a little black pepper in the smoothie, a little black pepper in your shot, you're good to go. So that's gonna be our little spicy kick, and we're gonna get things going. We're using a Magic Ninja, but you could use any blender. Sometimes the blender that my mother have home, must be a little older than me, still works good. So use what you have, let it work for you. Right, so let's get into it. Just going to take my lemon now. Where's my strainer? Squeeze out all the juice. I'm gonna use a whole lemon in this one. Oh, this is a pink grapefruit. gonna squeeze that in. It's very juicy. I'm now going to cut up my apple. Of course, I'm just gonna take out the seeds, core it. And I mean, I know sometimes we would make fruit smoothies also using frozen fruits and vegetables, which is great. If you have that, use it. But I mean, if you have it fresh, even better. Yeah. Turmeric. I'm trying to think about what color this will be. I don't know if the turmeric might overpower it and give it more of a orange tinge. What am I missing? So this is, okay, so we have the apples, the ginger, the turmeric. Okay, we're now going to add our lemon and grapefruit juice. All right, so we're gonna add the black pepper now. Whew. Right. Trust me on this one, Ollie. Trust me on this one. So I'm gonna line it up, turn it on. Yeah, press the little on button, right? So you're pressing extract now. It just pulses. Oh, that's it. Okay. So as suspected, the color, it's almost like it's a nice color, isn't it? The turmeric took over here. Now only saw how much turmeric I added, right? And only saw how much ginger I added, right? So this is going to be our shot. This is going to be a shot. But I love the color. It's like a golden yellow. You can see that. So I like to tell you, I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. And if the producer will take a little cheers with me after. Yeah. He say yes, he say yes, he say yes. Woo! Right. Ching! To wellness for 2024.
Potent, but not bad.
I like it. Okay. You smell the turmeric, but you taste the ginger first. And then somehow in your mouth, it just, then the spiciness, you get a little bit of the citrus, then you get a little bit of the sweetness of the apple. All here it is. This is shot. You want wellness shot? This is wellness shot for your money. I feel like I could jump off a building and fly. I ain't gonna lie to tell you. This is how I'm pumped. I'm literally pumped. You make this every morning, let me tell you something. You'll be right as rain. So let me move on to the next shot now. Right, so we're ready with our second shot, and this time we stain along the line of green. Usually this is a green goddess kind of vibes going on here. So we have the lemon again, we have the cucumber, the green apple, the kale, the celery, and a little ginger for some kick. Of course, of course. Lining it up, twisting it, and pressing extract. But make sure it's on. Yeah. Always make sure your utensils, your appliances are on before you use them. Yeah. Woo! Now press extract. So we're done here. green goddess. The producer will be taking a little shot with me in this one as well. Right. Cheers. Ching. To wellness again. Right. There you go. The lemon is just carrying it over, boy. Wow. The lemon is what is the star, I would say, is really making this shot sing, if a shot could sing. I'm feeling like a walking vegetable garden right now. Honestly, I am just so pumped, full of nutrients, full of antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K. Cucumbers, I didn't mention before, it's a rich source of vitamin K, which means it's very good for your bones. Very, very good for your bones. Well, yeah. Take a shot in the morning, take a shot in the morning. But if I had to compare the two, if I had to give one the edge, I think it's the golden one. I'll get the golden one the little edge. It had a real punch, but something about it was, whoo, because it's sort of, the mouth feel of it, it almost like it expand in your mouth when you was drinking it. So it was just like, for that alone, I will give it the edge. But both are really, really good. Right, Ole? So we have given you 2 shots for the price of 1 show. And they were amazing shots. So Ole, try it out. Let us know what you think. When you try it out, make sure and tag us. And stay tuned for more episodes on Simply Local. We have a really, really nice, we have some nice recipes coming for you. I want to let the cat out of the bag a little bit. We have some good stuff coming. So make sure and stay close to the channel. For those of you who have been following us, listen, all the love for 2023. We love Ole. We love Ole. Thank you so much for liking and sharing. And if you're new to the Eatahfood family, very special welcome. We love you and we like you already. And stay tuned because we have a lot in store for you guys. See you on the next episode of Simply Local.